Alright guys, well welcome back. It's Chris Techfer, and I just really wanted to make a quick little update video. Basically, it's been something. Well, first off, we got kittens. So this is Lynx, and then the other one's Phoenix, but he's very shy and he's a feral cat, so like he hides out all the time. But this one here is like the sweetest little cat ever. But I'm gonna put him down because he wants to roam free with his brother. But here's a couple photos of them. I have to put some photos in. Aside from 2 new kittens, I started a drone website called iDroneGuy, and I've been trying to basically make a business out of it, trying to get my drone services out there as a commercial idea, not just recreational where I'm just making YouTube videos and whatnot. So I'm trying to, you know, push that. That's been a huge project. I've spent like 4 days straight building that website, and it's just been hasn't really paid off yet. I haven't had anybody contact me. I sent it out to quite a few people, different companies that might be interested, real estate offices and this, that, and the other. We'll see where it goes, of course. I'm being hopeful. I don't want to just trash the idea yet, even though Wix costs money every month to make or to keep my website up and this, that, and the other. I don't want to cut it short and been like, wow, what could have been. So I'm going to keep it going for a little bit longer for sure, maybe quite a bit. I really don't want to go past that 14-day mark without something being positive, because I have a money back guarantee right now, and that's like $50 I could be getting back. So if possible, I would like to see something happen before that 14-day mark. Aside from that, Amanda's been, you know, kind of slipping on YouTube a little bit. It feels like she hasn't been as motivated to make videos, which it's understandable because we have been super busy with working and these 2 cats, and now I built that website, so I'm trying to kind of push towards that a little bit more than I am YouTube, even though I would love to get Chris Techfer going. So that's why I'm making this video today, because I didn't want to have this channel die by any means. So I want to, you know, preferably, you know, get iDroneGuy moving and grooving, getting some customers on the weekly basis, and then having YouTube to film it, you know, to do stuff, vlogs, reviews. I would like to be able to do that full time. But right now I'm getting like 30 hours at Best Buy, so I've been working quite a bit. Just been pretty busy. I mean, we've done a lot of stuff. The house is different than when you seen it last on that house tour video. So like, you know, there's a lot of content to film. We just really haven't had the motivation or time, because right now we're even slipping from the gym. Usually we're always at the gym and running at night, which we haven't ran in like 2 weeks, so that's kind of like a drag, and just everything kind of seems like we can't get on top of it. When we're at our best rhythm is when we're going to the gym and making videos. Like when we're doing those 2 things, our lives feel complete, we're doing good. But we haven't been able to do either one of those things as of like the last 2 weeks, so it's been kind of rough, you know. Amanda's put out a couple videos here and there, but like I said, I would like to see her definitely get videos out on a more every other day basis probably. For me, I would like to be posted weekly right now. Just getting the channel out there, getting some content made. But yeah, we got 2 kittens. I got iDroneGuy going. Definitely check that out if you know you're in the Florida area or know anybody in Florida that needs a drone guy. And as of YouTube, I mean, I have some stuff I want to film. I have stuff that is filmed, and I have stuff that I just need to put out there. I just haven't really had the motivation, which kind of really, like, that kind of sucks, because I have never had that issue in the last like 9 months of doing YouTube. We're now coming up to that time like, wow, like this is getting difficult to keep up with. But I do know one thing, that we won't ever stop making videos. So we've come too far to quit. We know we have something. We know we have something that's worthwhile. You know, we make good content. So, you know, we're not gonna stop making videos. We're gonna keep going. I would like to find some motivation again. I'd like us to get energetic about, you know, really making video after video, and just, I don't know, it would be nice. It's just been, I know it's been a lot for Amanda and I. We've been You know, we just moved into our first house together, so, you know, paying bills, and it's just been a lot more than being able to dedicate everything to YouTube. So we're working on it. We're gonna keep making content. Expect some great tech videos at some point. I'm telling you, I have a router review I want to talk about in particular. There's an AX4 router by Netgear, and that was the most garbage router I ever had. So that's a video that's gonna come around, just like I said, whenever we find the time and stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm not gonna make this too long. Just thought I'd give a little update. I got kittens. The house is getting almost really, I think it's finished. And you know, now I got iDroneGuy going, so hopefully that turns into something, so you know, we can have enough money to buy new equipment and stuff. It'd be really nice to get some more gear for YouTube. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button for whenever this channel does get those great quality tech videos out. Well, until next time, I'll see you again in the next video.